This year, I'm getting a jump on my pastrami prep, and I'm filming the entire thing for YouTube. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm up to. Just starting the prep, the process today. So this is going to be about a 10, 12 day brine, something like that. Check it out. Whole brisket. This is a brisket I have in my freezer. It's been in there for a little bit. Got it on sale at Publix a few months ago. And then this is my brine. So we have the pickling salt, we have the pink curing salt, I have kosher salt, I have a little bit of extra black pepper and some extra allspice, just for a little bit of extra flavor. And as you can see, there's some ice because we chilled the brine, so that way we're not cooking our meat at the brining stage. So we're gonna let this go in the fridge until next weekend, not this coming weekend. So it's gonna be a good amount of time to cure and get right the way we want it. So stay tuned for the pastrami cook. I'll give you guys updates along the way.